Hello, today I just wanted to share what sold this weekend. So I sold around $500 and there were 3 different platforms I sold on. I sold eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and then one item on Tradesy. So I'm gonna start first with eBay, and then at the end of the showing of all the items, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on what I did to still make these kind of sales during this really difficult time. So the first thing I sold is on eBay, and I sold the Sesame Street t-shirt, size small. So I have a lot of these kind of tees that are collabs with Zara, as well as like Sesame Street or Disney, and those tend to do well depending on the style. This dress was worn by many fashion bloggers. I got a lot of offers on it initially, but I rejected all of them and I waited for the right customer, and it sold for $52 on eBay. So it's asymmetrical and it has this like purple sheen to it. A lot of these asymmetrical tops and dresses seem to do well on all the platforms. Then I sold this tank top on eBay. So this tank top, it was lace and animal print and very lightweight to ship out because you pay for the shipping sometimes, or if you choose, you could also have the customer pay for shipping. So now on to Mercari. So eBay, I sold those 3 items. So this top was on Mercari. I sold them. So when I bought this top, because the price was so low, I paid $5.99. I bought 3 mediums and 2 large. So this one sold for like $30, and then I sold one on Posh and one on eBay, but I still have a few mediums and large if you're interested in that top. So those kind of shimmery sheen tops sell pretty well on all the platforms. This dress sold on Mercari. So this is like a shimmery dress, like people like these kind of shimmery sheen dresses, and then this wraps in the front. So this was a large. I have one more available in size small, and see, I paid up for this. So when you pay for this is $119, I paid $35.99, and this sold on Mercari. And that was, it's been in my store for a while. When something's a little bit more pricier, you tend to have that a little bit longer. So these jeans, these kind of slouchy jeans are really popular. So it's kind of like slouchy, and then they fold it at the end and they wear it with a tight top. And this was size 8, and I sold this on Poshmark. And so I have many different slouchy jeans, size 4 and size 2, and they're all like the ones that a lot of the fashion bloggers, if you check on Instagram, that are wearing them. I have a lot of those. These shorts I sold on Poshmark in size large, and they're like cargo shorts. I had relisted these 3 times before it sold. So I always tell people, like, just keep relisting your items, and I'll talk about that more at the end of the video as one of my tips. This shorts, the gingham shorts, I have one more available, size extra small if you'd like it. The belted shorts are very popular, and they're shorts. And this one I paid $7.99, and they retail for $39.90. So I have this one more left, extra small, if you're interested in that. And the link in the bio will have my store. So this dress was $9.99. I have one more small available. This dress sold and it was a medium. So just very, it's v-neck and it's just very light. And these dresses are super comfortable to wear, you know, just to lounge around the house. Like this dress I have one more available, extra small. I just wear it all day in the house and it's super comfortable. And then there's this tie-dye dress. So tie-dye is kind of like in fashion right now. This sold on Poshmark. And I have also a light blue tie-dye dress. So this one wasn't worn by all the bloggers, but there's a light blue one I have in my closet, and all the bloggers wore it and everybody was looking for it. It just sold out so fast. So I'm going to talk about that as well in my end of the video. This is a Lulu's dress. So I followed this couponer, and she posted that this brand was having a big sale and all the dressers were like $5, and I had this in my store for a long time, but then when I put the price back up, that's when somebody offered me $40. So this is a really good flip because it's only paid $5 and it's new with tag. So this skirt is H&M. It's Pringles. It's $13.99. So basically, Pringles of Scotland did a collab with H&M. So when there's a collab with H&M, depending on how popular the person is, I'll buy those items new with tag, and I try to get the bigger sizes. This one's size medium that sold, but I have one more left, size large. If you're interested, you could click the link in my bio. And then this purse sold. I had this for a while. That one sold on Posh, and I sold these navy pants with like chain link nautical style on Posh, and those sell really well too. I have yet to find it. And then sandals. So I sold flat sandals. They're leather and they're strappy, and that sold on Tradesy, and I paid like $9.99 and it sold for $80. So that one I'm also looking for. So those are the two I'm looking for. So now I want to just also give you like what I did personally to make these sales happen. I had in my mind like, oh yeah, I would like to try to sell $500. And the reason why I made so much sales so quickly was because I was already relisting all my items, but instead of just relisting the items, I would not delete the relisted old items, and I would just keep them in my store. So those items might have already had been dropped 10%, and then I raised it back up. So when the closet clear out happens, it doesn't affect those items. But if there's older customers that are still interested in buying it, that's still available. But because I relisted my closet like maybe twice during the pandemic, I was able to not only drop one relist, but then the second relist I dropped again. And so that means that 3 different listings with the same item was in my store, but the other 2 were dropped 10% on both items, so that it would not only indicate like 5 people that saw it before, but maybe there was 10 people that saw it on that second time, and the third person, the third relist, maybe there was like 8 more relisters, customers that saw that. So instead of getting exposure to like, say when you list an item and you get 5 likes, this is like 5 likes plus 5 likes plus 5 likes. That's like 15 likers that saw a price drop. And you might be afraid and think, well, you know what if somebody buys it? But usually that doesn't happen because I price very high so that when I drop 10%, like the people that are really frugal will not be interested at it. They're just like likers. And then if I drop the second time, maybe there's somebody who's interested, but then they'll give me like a lowball offer. And then say the third time I dropped it, the person's not a lowballer, the person's not just a serial liker, the third person actually wants to buy the item and will buy it full price or whatever. So that's one trick that I have. But you have to be really good at delisting all the items right away when you sell the item. So like I delist the items on eBay, I delist the item on Poshmark, I delist the items on Tradesy, I delist the items on Mercari 3 times each on all the platforms. So that's a lot of work, right? And that's like my secret hush hush. I don't think anybody does this. And then another secret that I do is I'll drop the item 10% plus shipping. So as a customer, I know that I hate paying shipping, and I also like love discounts. So I just think like a customer, and then I apply that as a seller. So I'm like, okay, well, this customer probably hates shipping, so I'm going to take out the shipping. And then this customer might also hate the fact that it's full price, so they want like 10% discount. So it's like, wow, not only is she giving me free shipping, but she's also giving 10% is something that's an added insightful thing. And then the third thing that I wanted to share is that I have an immense following on all the platforms. So like I know people that are like, well, I sell on eBay and I have Zara, or I have like really cute new with tag items. How come my items aren't selling like yours? I even priced it lower than yours and I have the same exact item. The thing is, because I built my network in social media and eBay and Poshmark and Tradesy, I have at least 400 followers on eBay. I have 150,000 followers on Poshmark. On Tradesy, I think I have like 80 to 100, and then mercari I have like, I don't know, maybe under 100. But that's still like a lot of eyes on the item versus somebody that doesn't have any followings. And then my Instagram has 18,000 followers, and then my YouTube has, I believe, like 1,200. And my YouTube views throughout the years is 65,000. Also, when I do Instagram, I do these like TikTok dances, and every time I do a TikTok dance, I get like 30 to 40 clicks to the link in my bio for my stores. So 30 times like 5 days a week, that's 150 150, and 150 eyes that are going to my stores that wasn't there before. So what I'm trying to encourage everybody to do is to do social media, which is absolutely free, to bring more traffic to your stores, to bring more trust to your stores, and to bring more credibility to our stores, because they are more likely to buy somebody that they feel like they trust and they've understood to have a good reputation than some random person they don't even know. So that's the second thing I would recommend, is my sales marketing strategy. And then the third thing that I would recommend is that you have like a big closet. So I think it's good to shoot for 500 items to like 1,000 items in your store and have multiple sizes. So like this shorts, I have this, but I have one more available, size extra small. This dress, I have this, but I have another one that's size small. This dress, I have this dress, but I have another one size small. This top, which has so many likers and views on my eBay store and on my Posh store, I have 2 more mediums and like 1 more large. So like if you have multiple items and like say somebody buys it from the other likers, then you have those available, and also you have multiple variety of sizes, then they feel like, the customer feels like, well, the seller has a lot of sizes and has a huge closet with a variety of items, and right now I'm bored, I'm in the pandemic, and maybe I'm stuck in the house and I'm just really going through a lot because of what's happening with the world right now. They want to go shopping, or they just want to like do something because they are not able to go outside. So having a huge closet with a variety of sizes, building your social media presence, bring free marketing to your store, and then also having like marketing tricks and strategies to like make customers feels like they're getting free shipping, they're getting 10% off, and doing those kind of things brings in a lot more sales than a lot of others that I've noticed in terms of what other people are doing. So I also sell on multiple platforms. I give advice, and if you want to really see my content more consistently, I'm on Instagram, Bunch of Styles. In my stories, I'm always giving advice as well as details. And then I also do coaching. So if you want to do one-on-one coaching, I could look at your closet and go over goals with you. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And then if you press the subscribe button, you'll see more videos like this. And comment below what is your favorite brand to sell, or what item you like to sell that works very well for you, because we're all very different. And I hope you're doing well, staying safe, and just doing the work to become a better person day after day. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.